If you're in Nigeria and you are tired of looking for legit ways to make money online, this video might change everything for you. Imagine getting paid to teach what you already know right from your house and getting paid directly into your Nigerian bank account. No scam, no foreign stress. Today, I will show you how Nigerians are making up to 300,000 naira monthly teaching on one website. Don't skip this video. Let's check some of the reviews that we have here. This lady Nancy teaches primary schools, primary 4 precisely. It has been a sweet privilege to work with clients and students at Tutoring for over 3 years. I am particularly thankful for the support of the administrative team so far. And also we have a lot of reviews from a lot of people on this particular platform. This one, Adewale, it's been a wonderful experience working with Tutoring and the numerous clients I have had. The tutor webinars and various workshops have further enhanced my proficiency on the job. Now this is another teacher here. Working with Tutorial provides me opportunity for a flexible schedule with satisfactory remunerations. The professionalism and timelessness is top notch. Being a tutor on the platform is incredible. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about how to make money online in Nigeria. Legit websites that pays Africans and smart online skills you can use to earn daily and monthly income. So if you want to learn how to get paid to teach, how to work online from Nigeria, a website that will actually hire you and pay you, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. If you have done that, now let's talk about today's website, Tutorial. Tutorial is one of the most popular tutoring platforms in Nigeria, where students and parents look for tutors and tutors get paid for teaching. The interesting part is this: you don't have to be a teacher, you don't have to be a professor, and you don't need to travel abroad. If you have knowledge in any subject or skill, you can earn from Tutorial online. So if you still haven't understand this, let me break it down clearly to you. On Tutorial, you can actually teach subjects like English language, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, primary and secondary school subjects, music, piano and guitar, coding, teaching skills, foreign languages, even skills like swimming or exam preparation. So if you're reading this, it's for how to make money teaching, how to get paid to teach online or online tutoring jobs in Nigeria. This platform is for you. Do well to subscribe to our channel as well. Another powerful thing about Tutorial is flexibility. You can teach online or you can teach offline. If the student is close to you, you can choose what works for you. That means even if you don't want to leave your house, you can still make money online using your phone or your laptop. Now let's go straight to the business of the day. All you have to do is to register. So let me show you how to register. First, you scroll down and click on the Become a Tutor section. So once you click on it, you will create an account using your email and your phone number, and then you also select where you live or where you reside. After that, you'll be asked to actually fill in your profile. This part is very important because this is where students will decide if they want to hire you or not. Now let me give you a serious tip here. When filling your profile, use a clear professional picture. Clearly state the subject you can teach, like there's the elephant in the room. Now the question everyone will ask is, how do you get paid? Let me scroll down so that we can go through the FAQ so that you see how you actually get paid. Let's scroll down. So Tutorial, students pay through the platform. Once you complete your lesson, Tutorial releases your money to you. And yes, payment goes straight into your Nigerian bank account. No PayPal straight, no foreign accounts needed. Here it says payments are made to you after you have delivered all lessons and submitted same into our system. Provided there are no pending issues to be resolved with the booking, you should receive monies into your connected bank account in 24 hours afterwards. So immediately you finish, teaching and all of those, after 24 hours you receive your money directly into your Nigerian bank account. Now people will also ask, how much do I earn? Now your earnings depends on what you teach and how often you teach and your reviews. Now the subject you teach, how often you teach, your ratings and reviews will actually determine how much you can earn. On their FAQ here, let's see. It says when you get a booking, your take-home pay will be indicated there as well. Some of our most active tutors earn from 40,000 naira to 300,000 naira per month depending on your availability, the demand for your subject, location, etc. Once you are approved, you can start receiving good job offers that match your profile. However, you are expected to cover the spot of data and transportation. which means that this website does not pay for data and transportation for you. If you have watched this video to this very end or to this very stage, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Help us like this video, please, so that it will reach more people out there in Nigeria that are looking for how to make money online. Now, let me be honest with you. If you are lazy, inconsistent, or not serious about teaching, this may not work for you. But if you're ready to use your knowledge to earn, tutorial is your legit opportunity. Now, if you need a direct link to this particular website, it's on our Telegram channel. The Telegram link is actually in the description box below. Do well to check the Telegram link in the description box below. If this video has helped you as well, do well to like and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.